Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make AG1 taste better. First, always use very cold water, as this significantly improves the overall taste and texture. Next, grab a shaker bottle with a whisk ball. It's essential for achieving a smooth, clump-free consistency. Finally, mix your AG1 immediately after adding it to the water to ensure everything dissolves properly and tastes its best. To further enhance the flavor, consider adding fresh fruit. A squeeze of lemon or lime juice can cut through the earthiness and add a zesty kick. Blending in a small handful of berries, perhaps 1/4 of a cup, introduces natural sweetness and antioxidants. For a more subtle, refreshing twist, try adding a few thin slices of cucumber. Beyond fresh fruit, other ingredients can elevate your AG1 experience. Mixing it with unsweetened coconut water instead of plain water offers a delightful tropical flavor. A dash of cinnamon or ground ginger can add a comforting warmth and complexity. You might also try incorporating a small amount of natural fruit juice, around 2 ounces, for a hint of sweetness without overpowering the greens. For the best experience, drink your AG1 immediately after mixing. This prevents separation and maintains its optimal flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of fruits and liquids to discover what you enjoy most. Remember, finding your perfect blend makes consistency much easier. Store your AG1 properly to ensure its freshness and potency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.